Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Epic Games launcher, set up wizard ended prematurely on your Windows 10 and 11. So basically, if your, Epic Games launcher setup, wizard ends prematurely, you can just do this, right? You can either check for updates or you can run as an administrator. So you just right click on this and then click on run as administrator. Okay, go ahead and do that. So I'll click on that. And that usually fixes the issue, right? Make sure you're on the latest version. And if that's not working, just go ahead and verify your internet connection because they need to authorize you using your account. So make sure you are actually on a stable internet connection. Okay, and if you're still having issues, what you want to do is come here, right click on your start icon, click on Task Manager. Okay, and all you need to do now is completely shut it off. Completely shut it off. So you want to come here and look for the Epic Games launcher, completely end the task, and then you start it up again. Sometimes it's just running in the background and that just causes issues, right? It doesn't launch properly. You want to go ahead and do that. Make sure you actually have sufficient disk space, okay? And you can just temporarily also disable your antivirus software to see if it's causing any conflicts. And if none of those steps work, guys, what you can do is you can visit the Epic Game Support website and submit a ticket detailing your issue. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.